My hair though. Gang. Comb my hair, bro. This is a video how to get your crush, gang. So, anyway, I cut the bullshit, guys. I was just trolling. I didn't comb my hair. Nah, it was combed in the morning. Need to comb it again. So, anyway, this is a video how to get your crush, gang. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the gym, get some muscles, and maybe your sex appeal would increase. Go to the gym, takes time, easy. That's step number one, guys. And I don't want to see anyone doing the dirty bulking thing, gang. Dirty bulking is gay and it will decrease your testosterone and shit. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking like that. So the second step is get a haircut. You can't be having musty hair, bro. Get a haircut and find a haircut that suits your head shape. Start looking more attractive. And once you got those two fundamentals down, the third thing you have to do is actually take showers, bro. Take a bath. If you smell bad, there's no chance of you getting a crush. If you smell bad, no matter how attractive you are, 0% chance. If you're smelling good and a 3 out of 10, 30% chance. If you 10 out of 10 smelling bad, 0% chance, gang. The fourth thing is to have a positive attitude towards yourself. Always think positively. Every time in the morning when you wake up, say, I am very handsome, I'm very pretty, whatever. Otherwise, if you have self esteem, it'll only do you harm, more harm than good. Once you got all of those fundamentals down, then the next step is the cold approach. Don't warm approach. Don't try and be a friend. Don't try and sugarcoat anything. Just go cold approach and lay out your intention. Say, hey, oh, I think you look. Okay, this is weird. I'm way better in person at this rather than saying it on video because it's cringe. It's unusual. Just say, "Oh, you look really good. Um, would you like to? Can I take you out for coffee or something? Something cheap. Don't take someone out for something expensive unless they earn it. Someone that you just met, at least buy something cheap like coffee or tea or whatever. Then after that, you go out for the date, do your thing, talk about stuff. And this is weird, bro. I'm sorry, this video is weird, but it's gonna help you though, gang. And if she, okay, there's the next crucial step. If she ever asks for something expensive, tell her bread or buns. You have to pull it out as a defense mechanism. If you don't, you have to. If ever she says, "Oh, I want to go shopping. I wanted to buy this expensive thing for me," or she chooses expensive things out of the menu, bread or buns. You have to pay half of it. I'll pay half of it, or you get the buns, gang. If you don't give me the buns, you have to give something up. That's the defense mechanism. If ever you get disrespected like that, and she wants something expensive, you only wants it for your money. Say buns or buns. If um buns or buns will get you out of a lot of situations. You won't be wasting. Like I saw this video of this one guy wasted like 1,000, 1,000 to 10,000 on a trip with this girl, and he asked the girl to be his girlfriend. She said no, gang. And then he was saying, "Oh no," uh, he said no, guys. He recorded a video. He said no, no, and then I was like, "This motherfucker is so stupid, bro. How could you let?" How could you spend so much money on a girl that's not even your girlfriend? If it's your girlfriend, your wife, no problem. If it's a person you're going on a date with and it's your friend, nah, gang, don't ever spend so much money on a girl that you just met, gang. Just buy like something cheap. She needs to earn it. If it's your wife, no problem. I started this YouTube channel When once I get, if I ever get famous and make and get rich, my wife getting spoiled. Choose your wife wisely, bro. So anyway, the last step is after you do all that, you should eventually get in a flow, see if you're compatible, and don't waste your money on dates. So many dates. Like imagine she's expecting like a fourth or fifth or a seventh date. Imagine wasting so much money on her and you still haven't even kissed her, man. You can try, and I say a good range is 1 to 2, 1 to 3 dates. Because if you go beyond that, then you're just wasting your money, man. I'm gonna be very real with you, man. It's even for girls too. If you're watching this video and you're a woman, then uh, sorry, fly. Don't waste so much money on someone who you just met, unless they're a child. You just met your child that you gave that you made. Spend all the money on your child, but not on some random stranger who just wants to use you for your money and exploit you for your money. Nah. Anyway, this video was we cringe, but it will help you, gang. Bye.